I wanted to show you our 11 blade 20T upgrade for the 3000 GT. We machine out the compressor housing and sleeve pipes in them, and then for the turbine housing we machine that out for a TD04HL 9 blade, which is 45 millimeter by 50. The compressor wheel, being a 20T, is 47.2 millimeter by 58 millimeter, and it's extended. If you're interested in a turbo upgrade like this, which this fits the 3000 GT, it also fits the Dodge Stealth, as well as we could do this upgrade for like Volvo or the Saab and any other TD04 turbos that there are, minus the SRT4. But if you're interested in a turbo upgrade like this, contact us at turbolabamerica@gmail.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.